What's up, Melissa?
What's up, Amy?
What's up, Travis? And what's up, Wolverines? Welcome back to RTV News. Let's go! Woo! On Tuesday, January 13th, we have a school site council meeting from 4 to 5 in the main conference room.
Today we have a girls basketball game against Amador. Varsity starts at 7.
And we also have a boys basketball game against Amador. So JV starts at 5:30 and varsity starts at 7. On Wednesday, January 14th, we have a girls soccer game against Argonaut. So JV starts at 4:30 and varsity starts at 6:30.
Also have a boys soccer home game against Argonaut. JV starts at 4:30 and varsity starts at 6:30.
And we also have a girls basketball game against Union Mine. So varsity starts at 7.
And we have a boys basketball game against Union Mine. JV starts at 5:30 and varsity starts at 7.
Thursday, January 15th, we have a wrestling quad duo at 5 p.m. On Friday, we have a girls soccer game against Brasha Christian. So varsity starts at 6:30.
And we have a boys soccer game against Bradshaw Christian. JV starts at 4:30 and varsity starts at 6:30.
We have a girls basketball game against Liberty Ranch. So JV starts at 5:30 and varsity starts at 7.
And lastly, we have a boys basketball game against Liberty Ranch. JV starts at 5:30 and varsity starts at 7.
Yay!
Hey guys, I'm Olivia, and make sure you submit club photos in the Word of the Wolverine Google Classroom for Yearbook.
Hey Wolverines, I'm here with Mr. Kin and Johnny to present the riddle of the week.
Go to the Word of the Wolverine Google Classroom
and fill out the Google form.
Hey Wolverines, we're back with the Teacher Spotlight. I'm here with Mr. Bell. So Mr. Bell, what subject do you teach and why?
I teach AP Government, I teach U.S. Government, and I teach Economics in the spring.
When did you start teaching at Rosemont?
I started teaching in 2005, so this is my 21st year here at Rosemont.
And who would you like to nominate next and why?
Well, there are so many wonderful, excellent teachers here and staff members at Rosemont, but I'm going to go with Mr. Wanlin. Mr. Wanlin, he's a very great teacher, great coach. He's become a good friend of mine. He's been here as long as I have, I think maybe even 1 year longer. So I just would like to recognize Mr. Wanlin.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bell.
Mr. Wanlin, you're next.
Hey,
you
seniors.
If you guys haven't done your senior portraits, get them done.
The deadline is February 6th.
Here's the flyer for more information. So if you guys haven't done your senior portraits, get them done, please. Oh, did you guys talk about the cap and gowns?
Oh my god, I love you so much, Amy.
I don't. But we have a Fundy Future Scholarship Workshop. For more information, here's the flyer. Just kidding. I love you too.
No, she doesn't, bro. She's lying.
I love her.
She's lying.
On January 28th, we have a family math night from 4:30 p.m. to 6. So for more information, here's the flyer. Hey Wolverines, we're here with another person who solved the riddle. I'm here with
Gia.
and he's here to solve the riddle.
So when I look at the riddle, it's like 2 plus 2 is 5. All right. So 5 is not right. And my left is not my right. This is how I solve my riddle.
Well, Gia, to solve the riddle, here's your prize. And we'll hand it up to Melissa.
We have another person who solved the riddle of the week. I'm here with,
Shia.
and she's here to solve the riddle of the week.
Thank you. And so I saw the riddle and I was like, 2 plus 2 equals 5. That's not right. And then I was like, wait a minute. That's not right. Like my left hand. So I figured out the answer immediately. It was not right. And that is how I solved the riddle.
Thank you for solving the riddle of the week. Here's your prize.
Thank you.
Bye, Wolverines. We'll see you next week.
Ciao.